Alright, the first step to find the country France's energy output completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Basically, you want to go to this website right here. It's called usdebtclock.org. And this is a pretty cool website because you can see here that the country France is second to last, and here's their energy output, and it's updating live. This next website is called Our World in Data. Basically, it's just a profile of France, and it's a very long article, but it's good for beginners. It's a very useful website. You can see the share of the population of the electricity, and there are graphs here per capita, how much energy does the country consume each year. And if you were to scroll down, we have so much more data. As you can see, we have different renewable sources of energy, and very useful website. This is how you do it completely for free.